larangan ng sining at kultura, malaki ang pagkakaparehas ng Vietnam at ng Pilipinas. Mula sa forma ng pananamit, mga kasangkapan sa bahay at maging sa filosofiya. Ang ilan sa mga ito ay itinampok sa isang exhibit at pagtatanghal kaugnay sa Vietnam Cultural Days in the Philippines o ang paggunita sa ika-40 anibersaryo ng diplomatic relations ng Vietnam at ng Pilipinas.
We have very strong cultural relations starting way back in ancient times, because there were the kingdoms, Champa Kingdom, for example, that had a very strong relationship with the Philippines, especially when it comes to the origin of our writing system, and time shared heritage. When it comes to art, literature, philosophy of life, the way we look at our people, no? And the participatoriness of our culture is very related to that of the Vietnamese. Kung hindi naman nanggagaling ang cooperation sa political at economic, always it begins with cultural. Because politics and economics are always a source of division. Culture is always a source of unity.
At bilang pagpapahalaga naman ng Vietnamese sa kultura ng Pilipino, itinanghal ng ilang miyembro ng Youth Theater of Vietnam ang ilang awiting Pilipino.
Kailan mo ba mapapasin ang aking lihim? Kahit anong aking gawin, di mo pinapasin.
Bukod sa sining at kultura, matibay din ang ugnayan ng dalawang bansa sa larangan ng pangangalakal at pamumuhunan.
The good thing is that trade and investment between Vietnam and the Philippines are developing in a very positive way, as I just say. And trade between our two countries now has reached last year about $3 billion already. And investment, there are a lot of Philippine companies investing in Vietnam right now, and I'm very happy that now Vietnam and the Philippines are very good friends.
Ang mainit na pagtangkilik at pagpapahalaga ng mga Pilipino sa kultura ng Vietnam ay isang indikasyon lang ng matibay na ugnayan ng dalawang bansa na pareho ring kabilang sa ASEAN o Association of Southeast Asian Nations.
Lumisikap ka sa mundo ito, nakituwa ng magulang ko, at ang kamay bilang lumilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ng kadugoy, namaskan pati-patuloy.
Hi! Ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.